Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the videos that you have watched on Facebook, and it means how you can easily find your watch history on Facebook. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So first of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on three lines on the bottom right corner and to head over to the menu, and then tap on that gear icon on the top right corner to head over to the settings of your Facebook account. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find activity log, and when you're on this page you'll have to tap on activity log and then tap on your Facebook activity, and after that you'll have to tap on manage posts. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to tap on filters on the top left corner, and after that you have to tap on categories and then tap on videos that you have watched on this page. Now you'll be able to find every single video that you watched on Facebook with the date when you watched that video on Facebook, and you can always find that video, and if you want to delete this history, you can simply tap on any video and then tap on delete, and it will be deleted from this section. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comments.